magalakaw ta here sa gawa sa Philly Hotel because medyo lisod ang parking. So nag-side parking ta. Gihangak pa gani ko no. So it's so nice also kay at least first time na ito nakakita kung sa form sa Philly Hotel on this side. Kaya rare nakita makalakaw nganing dapita. And I think kasaban ko kaya na gusto nga sa naglakaw. Padapin din tabi. That's it. I think this is the entrance to the mall na sad. Di ko sure kung pwede ba ni maagian. Pero nagsarado man. So sarado siya. So let's pass by sa Philly Hotel. Yun nga. Entrance. Are we gihangak, besh? Sige, pause at lakay. I-message na nato si Miss Nico ang atong contact para we will get our response to the countdown. Tony kuya.
Extra. That's it.
Thank you. Sige, thank you. Of the moment is 10:47 and we're turning out the party.
This number is 3119. Okay. Now this time, I am going to pick two winners for an versus Philly Hotel. Woo! Who's the baby? Make some noise if you would want to claim this amazing prize. Our first winner is no other than Jericho Garcia!
Dili, unlimited man ta, 1 AM. O sige, game. Oh, let's be loud.
And our winner...
Kuya, Tom Collins ako kuya. After lunch.
Actually, this is...
Ari na lang para di ka nagagato-bato.
55 BT.
So here, pwede na ka-order because we are part of the orange ticket niya, unlimited drinks niya. So pwede na ka-order bisa ko sa and wala bisa ko kay baon sa mong i-order bitaw. So Tom Collins daw ni siya. Tom Collins kay baon sa na siya.
Jean, triple sec. Live. Tony Water.
Here for that drink, pero gusto pa tayo for the food. What? Ano. Are we so patay gusto pesh?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy
resolution is to eat healthy.
My New Year's resolution, to be more responsible. Wala pa ka-decide.
Hindi na mali sa work.
My New Year's resolution is to extend my patience and be more prettier.
Be more responsible with my finances.
Run more, run more.
Being good.
Less work.
If I think, maybe drink less.
My New Year's resolution is I won't spend less, I'll spend more! Yeah!
New Year's resolution, a better and stronger me. Choose yourself. Growth, growth, growth. Forgive and forget, let live.